Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It is Saturday morning, and we're going to start following Kathy around to see what sold for us today.
Hey guys, alright, starting in box R. This is a pretty full box. Alright, it is this Riley and Crew shirt. That was something I bought for my son and he never wore. I don't remember where I bought it. I didn't want to scroll through all my purchases, but it sold for $35 free shipping on Citizen, so probably making all my money back, if not losing just $1 or $2. The shipping's costing $4.15 to ship out through Citizen. That will go out in a poly mailer.
What do you think about that, Reese? You using your bed today? I'm sure he'll be moving off of it by the time we're done recording today.
All right, AK, all the way down here. Okay, I just looked at these last night before bed. They're just some Fry boot socks. I actually got these in my FabFit Fun box and wasn't going to use them, so I got a lot of things in the box. I think the box is like $50 shipped to your house, so I don't know. I'm considering this just kind of breaking even because I did keep most of my box's time minus like 2 things, so I won't break even at all. But yeah. They sold for $10.87 plus shipping, so I'm making probably $9 off of these socks from the box, so not too bad.
Socks from the box.
Yeah. And then those are also going to go out in a little mailer. I want to use my Halloween mailers, but those are small and they'd be perfect for like this little one. What do you think? Ghosts or floral? I can't make decisions all by myself.
I say floral since you're already walking away from the rack.
Just the perfect little mailer for it, so.
Yeah, it's just like a little half-size mailer, so.
Yeah, she sent me some freebies with my last order. All right. Box AG. This is the brand. I think it's Bonade, or I don't know. They're just some men's bike shorts, like padded bike shorts. Got these at the bins. I have $1.31 into them, and they sold for $18.15 plus shipping on eBay. So
yeah,
not too bad. Bike shorts do well. I can usually find them for, even at a normal thrift, a couple bucks. So
yeah, we've done pretty well. That's like our third or fourth pair, right? Yep. That we've sold.
I don't know why I feel weird putting certain things in these.
Just use the Halloween mailer.
Right.
It's Halloween time. Everyone will appreciate it.
All right, top shelf. Picolinos. Okay, so these are just some Picolinos. That is their little logo right there. If you ever see that, it's a good brand to look out for. It doesn't usually sell super fast for me, but it does sell, and it usually sells for an okay amount. These sold for $35 plus shipping. These ones did take a while. I don't know if it's just the color, like a green. It's not something you're gonna wear every day, but I have $9.74 into them, so yeah, these probably retailed for like $200. It's crazy. But yeah, those are gonna go shipping out in, I believe I did a 13 by 13 by 9 for these. I did have to eat some of the shipping costs, I believe, on this one because I only charged the buyer $9.99. And these were actually over 2 pounds going to North Carolina. So I think I might have had to eat like $3 on that one.
Yeah.
So, whoops. I did check Pirate Ship. It was a little bit cheaper. Not much. It was $11.60 or something to go through UPS Pirate Ship, but again, that's a little over $1, but just
the hassle's just not worth it today.
Yep, wasn't worth it. So
it might be worth it for you. So definitely look up those prices if you're trying to get.
Worth it a different day. I just not in the minute to drive to the places today.
We are packing up a little bit later today because it is a holiday weekend.
Yeah.
Or holiday Monday, right?
It's gonna be probably a lot of sales on Monday. Hopefully. Don't want you to see the Monday video. And we have 3 sales, but
USPS is closed on Monday.
Get crazy, so I didn't want to make people wait like 4 days for their sales to even ship.
We normally ship out at 11:30 on Monday, or Saturdays. So we're pushing 1 o'clock now. So
driving to a different post office, Gonna get a Starbucks to wake myself up. I'm still tired, even though it's 1. Our kids woke us up a little early today.
Yeah, it's crazy. They like to sleep in on school days, and if it's like fall break, we stayed up late last night. They stayed up after 9, and they still woke up before 7 this morning. So
Kids. All right, these are actually going out to our viewer, Gretchen. They're just some Bionic. It's like a nice loafer slip-on. I have $8.99 into these. I think I had them listed at $50. She got the Poshmark VA offer with $40 with discount shipping and countered at $31, and I accepted. So thank you so much, Gretchen. She said she's been wearing Bionic slippers all through the pandemic and now has to go back to work in real life. So those
getting the Bionic loafers.
Her outside shoes, yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much for the support, Gretchen.
Yes,
Hope you enjoy the shoes.
I'm going to send those out in a regional B box because it was Poshmark. All right, AD. Okay, this is a Hannah Anderson, like Disney Mickey Mouse ice cream shirt. This I bought for my son off Kiddizen a while back. $14.55 is what I had into it, and it sold for $17.10 free shipping. So making most of my money minus a buck or two back. Let's do Purple Ghosts for that one. All right, that one's hanging. We'll do that last. So Bucks Tea. These are some women's Brooks. I think they were women's. They might have been men's. I don't know. You'll see it on the screenshot. These were like a different than the normal like running shoes. I guess these are like a walking shoe. They were missing the insoles though, so I sent the buyer an offer of $30 plus shipping. I had $9.99 into them, so making some profit there. Those are going out in a shoebox. And yeah, I don't always pick up stuff with missing insoles, but I figured those were like in perfect shape otherwise, so figured someone would want them. I think these cost like $150 new or something, so
Okay.
to add your own insoles, it's not that expensive.
Yeah. I think a lot of people like and prefer their own insoles anyway.
Yeah. Alright. Oops. Sold this jacket. So I kind of regretted buying this from the day I bought it, but I actually made over $20 profit on it, so I guess I can't be too mad. The brand is Sims, which when I bought this, I thought it was like the Sims fishing. Like
Yeah, you know, I noticed when I was editing the video, Sims 1M is snowboarding, Sims 2M
So
is the fishing.
But it's the same, you think?
I think it's a separate company altogether.
Oh, okay.
Because there's a snowboarding company, Sims, that's
Right.
just the 1M.
So I know the fishing one does really good, but I thought this was that.
Right.
That's why I bought it, and I overpaid for it too. I paid $14.99 for this coat. Because if it was the brand I was thinking, well, this was probably expensive too. Anyways, it's a really nice like heavy duty jacket, but
Yeah.
anyways, it ended up selling on Facebook Marketplace for $40 plus shipping. So yeah, I still make over $20 profit.
Yeah.
And yeah, I probably would not pick it up again, but
Not bad for an almost mistake there.
so yeah, I never knew that about the Sims and Sims. But
And then
I
there's a
freaked
video
out.
game called Sims. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I freaked out when I saw that it sold, thinking, wait a minute, is this like fake or something?
Right,
Because
right.
I thought it had 2 M's. So hopefully the person that bought it knows about the brand and is happy with their purchase.
It's funny because I didn't even know that you sold this today, and I was looking that up like yesterday as I was editing the video. Because I was like, I swear, Sims is a snowboarding brand, just from childhood memories, right?
I never heard of it other than the fishing.
Yeah.
So,
You probably guys have noticed that
well,
got it cleaned up a little bit up here.
but not listed.
Not listed, but
Chris moved his stuff out of my space so I could
yeah.
feel a little more organized.
I felt bad for just kind of cluttering up all this space with all my stuff that
I feel like we'll get more work
have a hard
done
time
with
listing,
like
yeah.
having more space. So like this is kind of what last night I just got a bin together. So this will be my next
Yeah.
list day, whenever that is. It's Saturday, so probably not till Monday. But yeah, this is probably, I don't know, 30 items or so. This is just miscellaneous crap.
Yeah, I think that's like office stuff that I need to.
We just don't like
figure a
having
spot
any like
for.
good drawers or storage or anything.
Well, the whole intention was to have more shelving and, you know,
Still,
different
yeah.
kind of little things. Just haven't got around to it, you know. So.
And then these are just the awkward things that, I don't know, you never really want to go through board game pieces and stuff.
Yeah.
Although I think you already, I know we're missing a piece of operation.
Yeah.
This is basically new without.
Yeah, I don't even think that was
we were
ever
gonna play
opened.
that and we just never did, so. I think you already looked up that and it was all complete, right?
Yeah, I don't think I
Monopoly.
counted the money,
Okay.
so I don't know about the money, but
Yeah. So some monopolies can do well. I think this one was like a $20-something
yeah.
Kansas City Monopoly. And then this took forever to list because it looks like you taped it up, but it was just coming all undone even though it was new. So
Yeah.
we'll get that listed as its pile. I still haven't cleaned this guy, which now Halloween's gonna be here, so it probably won't sell for till next year maybe. I don't know if anybody wants a purple people eater in the middle of the year, but that guy still needs a cleaning. This was gonna be a haul one day as soon as I get more, because
Yeah.
that's stuff that me and Chris bought the other day when it was
Sneak
our
peek.
last day of school before our last day of our
I
kids
thought that one was
having
cool. We got to
school.
list that soon because I think that's
before fall
Christmas
break,
stuff.
so.
But yeah.
Yeah, that would only be like a 2-minute haul. So we'll get
Right.
a few more stores worth and then do a haul. And
And then a new way of oven that we don't really know what to do with yet.
yeah, I'm debating on piecing that out or just selling it as is. I don't
Yeah.
even know how to test it. I'm sure you do, but
We'll figure it out. Probably just have to plug it in and turn it on. I don't know. But
all those shoes need listed. But
yeah, there's a bunch of shoes over there still.
The shoes are easiest. You know, they just stay on the rack.
Yeah.
They're not too much clutter. And then those 2 bins, which I'll probably do those stuffed animals with these stuffed animals anyway. So
Yeah.
it's gonna come along if I can keep myself out of stores.
Absolutely. No, you gotta keep sourcing. We gotta fill that bag so we can have another haul.
I also need to get stuff. I'll feel better when it's all
Yeah.
listed.
Well, we're gonna get this stuff packed up and then we'll be right back. All right, got it all packed up, and just like I knew would happen, Reese has moved. He's got, I don't know. He's a broken dog.
He does what he wants.
Yep. So let's go over the board real quick, because since it's Saturday, see how we did this week. Although we're not done for today, but
Yeah, I mean, we might be.
might be.
Yeah, so we got through like here the other day, right? So just yesterday I did $663 in value, and then today so far 10 for $278. So mostly I was trying to get through my bin here
Yeah.
before I start on that next bin
Bin
that
under
I
there.
told you about, because my problem is I list the things I'm excited to list and that are easy in that I don't have to measure or do any extra work for.
Yeah.
The rest end up in here, so I'll have photographs for like a year before I ever list them. So I'm pushing myself to list them. Like the 10 today were mostly just really, really old things that I didn't want to list, but
Yeah.
I know they'll sell. I just had to type out long descriptions and stuff, so.
Yeah, and I mean, we spent a good amount of time getting stuff cleaned up and organized. So, and I did want to clarify, like, I still have the stuff that I took off this table and I just moved, but I'll get that stuff listed, or I'll bring that stuff up when I'm ready to list it, just so that it's not just something that we're constantly moving and working around. And it's a stress inducer, really, just having a pile of stuff that we're not touching. So I moved it down to the garage, which is kind of like my workshop, my wood shop. So, I won't be able to do any woodworking until I get that stuff listed. But at least it's not all in Kathy's hair and stress zone, I guess. But anyway, guys, I think that's going to do it for today's video. We're going to get this stuff off to the post office. And then that's going to be it for the weekend, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.